Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. I'm back with another Halara try-on haul, but this time we're talking their new swimwear. So big shout out to Halara for partnering with me on today's video. They also provided me with a coupon code, which is KellyF, and that will save you 20% off of any full price items on their site. They're always running incredible deals, so definitely check them out. But I will have all the details in the description box down below. If you're not familiar with Halara, basically how I sum them up is you can't put them in one category anymore because they're coming out with everything, okay? They are just comfort, okay? Comfort when it comes to office wear, comfort dress wear, comfort athleisure, comfort swim, literally everything. They have it and they do it comfortably. It's stretchy. It's just, it's good. It's stuff you want to like actually wear and live in. So I have partnered up with them today to kind of talk you through their swim, and I want to kind of go through sizing and then a bunch of different like styles that they have. But what I will tell you about them, they have like a variety, but I would say mostly they're very much those sort of like sporty athletic type of swimwear, not your like skimpy swimwear. I'm sure they have some of those styles, but I decided to pull some that are kind of more like appropriate for pool with my child who wants to play and wrestle and be crazy. I thought these would be great. And you guys, I officially have a pool this summer. We are moving at the end of this month and we have a pool. So I'm so excited to be able to wear all these. But let's jump into one of my favorite. This is probably like the least athletic of them all, but it's still my favorite. I love anything green, we know that. But I love the sort of like towel texture that this has. Adjustable straps, love this little scoop line. This is just like basically wearing a sports bra in the pool, which I love. I feel comfortable, I feel secure. I love that these are adjustable. The back is not adjustable, so go to your true size in terms of like your like whatever band size. I went with a medium in all of these swimsuits, and I'll talk about how I think you should size up, size down, whatever. But it has this little clasp, which I think is honestly really nice and easy to just be secure back there. And then you have the adjustable bra straps. Love this one. And the bottoms are just kind of like a low rise, mid rise, whatever type of swim bottom. More fuller coverage on the bum. Again, it has that textured terry type of material. I love these. I also got these in a medium. I will say these fit slightly bigger, but still honestly perfect for what they are. So if you're in between like a small medium, I would go up in size in terms of swimsuit. This isn't something where it like is falling off of you. So love this first option. Next, we got some fun colors. This next one I loved. I fell in love with this color. I own nothing like this. I own a lot of black, and you'll see a lot of black because I like black swimsuits, but I loved the color of this. Again, this is like one of those where I could wear while I'm like cleaning out the pool or doing yard work in my fenced in backyard. Not like in the front yard, you know what I mean? And then jump in the pool afterwards, okay? This is just great. It's a good little bra top, no adjusting. So just like a solid sports bra-like top. I got this in a medium. This has their little, where is it? Logo back there, which is cute. Removable cup pads, just a great, but this color is seafoam green, amazing. And then the bottoms of these are like a cross waist, kind of like their leggings that they have, that style. With again the little logo in the back, and these are high rise, high cuts on the side. You okay there, Boog? She got sneezed. And then pretty cheeky on the bum, but not like thong style, you know what I mean? So loved the color of that, thought that was just so pretty. Next up we have this black one. This one is more of like a like shiny sort of material. I would say like slick and not matte, like if you can tell the difference up front. Love the style of this. Very much like a bra style top with the cinched in the middle. Again, has that little clasp, same as the green one in the back. This does not have adjustable straps, but a medium fit me perfectly. And sometimes I'm either a medium or a large in my swim tops, but the medium fits me perfectly. Love this. Again, removable cup pads, but this just keeps everything lifted front and center, okay? Great. And then the bottoms for this, these are like full coverage, okay? These are like, if your hip areas are some of your most insecure, which for me, it is, okay? And when I wear these, like, even though they're very full coverage, they like suck suck me in at every part where it normally doesn't, okay? So these are a very, very full coverage. Now, I believe there is a bikini for everybody. If you don't like those teeny tiny skimpy ones, go for something like this. If you don't like this and this is too much coverage, go for something else. Like, there's a bikini for everyone, but I think that there is a benefit to explaining all the different styles so that you feel the most comfortable and confident in your body. And if this is what makes you feel comfortable and confident, girl, go for it, okay? And I really like it. So the sides, these sides right here, really hug in that extra stuff that I carry in my thighs, okay? Never dealt with that until, you know, going and turning 30 5 years ago. So this is very full coverage bum, all the thing, but very, very flattering still and very chic and cute in my opinion, in all black. Still nothing better than that. All right, let's continue with black swimsuits, shall we? So the first, let's go through the bottoms, and then I'll talk about the two tops that these like can be interchangeable with, which I like. So these are the bottoms. These ties on the side are completely removable, so you can keep them or remove them, but they're not like necessary for the swim. You see, they're just like a normal, like I like that, okay? Because I like the ability to have the cute little dangly ties, but not worry about them falling off if something gets pulled, you know? These are like beach volleyball type of swim. This is very high rise and very cheeky. These I would say run like a little bit small on me. I should have gone to a large, honestly. Because like I said, I carried the majority of my weight in my hips, so these kind of squeezed it a little bit, so I would have gone with a large with this. Just as a forewarning, if you're more bottom heavy, then go up at least a size. And then this is the cutest little top. I love this top so much. Again, very much like a bralette type of top, crisscross back, so cute. It's got their little logo kind of like sewn on back here. And then it has the front clasp, which is really easy to get into and really freaking cute. So love the detail of the crisscross back on that as well. Adorable. And then the other option to go with those bottoms was just a plain bandeau top. But the cool thing about this is it comes with a string, so you can tie it a million different ways. So I showed you just plain or tied around in a halter, which is really nice. These are great for tanning and whatnot, where if you don't want tan lines, those are awesome. All right, let's move along next to, or first let me show you this little cute cover up, okay? At first I had to look it up on the line how to wrap this because I got it and then I was like, oh my gosh, I don't remember how to wrap this. But this is really cool. It kind of crisscrosses in the front of you, which is different, and the back is so pretty. It's like low and cut out, and it's just a beautiful little like love. Okay, next up we have probably my most sporty, most full coverage swim. Again, this is something I could see myself leaf blowing my patio and then jumping in the water. You have these, I love this color, it's kind of like a teal blue, high rise, full coverage bottoms. And this is like literally a sports bra style top. It's very much giving like I could work out in this as well, like go for a walk or something like that, which honestly love. So big full coverage in the front, and then you have this super cute back detailing with their logo as well. Like I said, I'm talking sports. I'm talking if you have girls, like younger girls or whatever that are maybe doing like a water sport or something like that, these bathing suits would be great. These are more of like your athletic type of swimsuit, but they do have some super cute, they have this tie-dye one on their website that I'm lusting after. And then last but not least is like one of their athletic dresses turned into swimwear, which I thought was interesting. This is still like not like a full coverage because your bum like kind of hangs out the bottom, which I think is kind of cute. Love the back detail twist here. Very high rise, but still like, I mean, very high cut on the sides, but still like covered because you have the little skirt. Cute, not necessarily something that I would reach for all the time. Again, something that you could do stuff in your yard or whatnot, and then like I could be gardening and then just jump in the pool because I have a swimsuit on, you know what I mean? But this is cute. If you're more of a full coverage and you like are really concerned about this lower region, this is something that would kind of camouflage it, make you feel more confident. Again, I really truly believe that everybody should feel comfortable and confident in a bikini or a bathing suit in general. And it's all about finding one that works for you. If you're somebody who doesn't feel comfortable in teeny tiny bathing suits, there is still something for you. And if you're somebody who does, that's okay too. Like there is a variety depending. And it does not matter like what your body shape or style is, it matters how you feel. Like truly, sometimes I feel the most confident and sexy in a full coverage bikini. rather than a skimpy tiny string bikini. It's just, there's something for everyone, and Halara definitely has options, okay? Options in different colors. They're extremely comfortable, and I think they have like a lot of more athleisure sort of swimwear, which is really kind of cool. I feel like there's not a huge market for that. When I was a kid, it was Speedo. You bought Speedo bathing suits if you wanted to be like a sporty sort of like bathing suit type of girl, and I love that athleisure is now like carrying into swimwear, and that's really cool. So big shout out to Halara again for partnering with me on today's video to kind of talk you through some of the swim options they have on their site now. And again, don't forget to use code KellyF. That will save you 20% off on any full price items that are on their site. And yeah, I'll have all the details, my sizing, all that in the description box down below, and I will see you guys in my next one very, very soon.